Hi, I am Dr. Arvinder Singh, Faculty in Life Sciences at Akal University Talwandi Sabo, Bathinda. The university was established in 2015 under the excelling vision of Baba Iqbal Singh Ji, who has received Padma Shri. As we know that the plants are the fundamental part of the life on earth and indispensable for the survival of living beings. So in this way, it becomes imperative to study the plant forms for their morphology, reproduction, their anatomy, molecular and biochemical processes. So keeping this in mind, we have started 2-year master's program in botany and 3-year degree program in medical sciences in our university since the inception of our university. So as the environmental and climate changes are being increased in the coming days, the demand of botany will increase with the passage of time. So I recommend all of you to opt the botany as a course in our university and secure your bright future with us. Thanks.